Put this on a lemon, combine these ingredients, and the results will surprise you. Take a medium-sized glass bowl. Add a whole egg to the bowl. Also, add 2 tablespoons of coffee, preferably instant coffee. Take a lemon and place your hand flat on it, then start rolling it back and forth. This method will help you squeeze out more juice easily. Next, cut the lemon in half. Squeeze the juice from one half directly into the bowl. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, has brightening properties. Mix everything well with a spoon. If the mixture is too runny, add another small spoon of coffee. Stir again until you get a smooth consistency. Apply this mask to your face or hands for 15 minutes before bed. This natural blend acts like Botox, reducing wrinkles and discoloration. After 15 minutes, wash off the mask with warm water. It will help you maintain a youthful appearance. Be sure to try it. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy. Put bay leaves in your sock. That's what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful not only in cooking. If you struggle with joint, foot, or knee pain, they work better than those smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this method to deal with pain. Just turn your sock inside out and put a few bay leaves inside. Then, go to bed. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also provide relief for muscle pain, as well as sprains and strains in the joints. How does it work? The temperature in the sock increases due to contact with the skin. The leaves begin to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still have no idea about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments.
Laurel leaf is 100 times more potent than Botox. Here's a recipe for a mask that fills wrinkles and moisturizes the skin. You only need a few ingredients to make it at home. To start, you'll need 10 dried bay leaves. This popular spice contains valuable antioxidants that help maintain a youthful appearance for longer. The bay leaf mask will tighten the skin, make it firmer, smoother, even out the complexion, and shrink pores. Measure out 200 milliliters of water and pour it into a saucepan. Heat it on the stove until the water boils and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After this time, the infusion should have a light brown color. Pour it into a bowl and let it cool. Strain the leaves and place them on a paper towel. They'll be useful for the second recipe, which I'll show you later in this video. To thicken the cream, we'll use cornstarch. It's a safe and natural ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons to the bay leaf infusion and mix it thoroughly to avoid lumps. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly. Slowly reduce the substances until it thickens. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera. You can buy it at any drugstore, and it has a strong moisturizing effect. Next, add a tablespoon of almond oil and a tablespoon of honey. Honey has a smoothing, nourishing, and fine wrinkle-reducing effect. Mix everything thoroughly. Add 10 drops of vitamin E to the cream. Transfer everything to a glass container. Apply the cream to cleansed facial, neck, and hand skin in the evening. It has an incredibly rich texture. To allow the ingredients to be absorbed, leave it on overnight. Rinse your skin with lukewarm water in the morning. You'll see results with regular use. Store this in the fridge for 7 days. You can also use the leaves from the infusion. Tear them into small pieces and put them in a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. Transfer to a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of oat flakes to the blender and blend. Add this to the bowl with the bay leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix. Leave it for 10 minutes to soak. Use this mixture as a cleansing scrub. Apply it to dry hand skin. Massage gently in a circular motion and then rinse with lukewarm water.
Apply toothpaste on your nails. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the effect. It's a method for healthy and strong nails, both on your hands and feet. Toothpaste will brighten the nail plate and remove discoloration from nail polish. But that's not all. Mix the toothpaste with another product for an even better effect. Prepare salt and pour 1 tablespoon into a container. Salt contains many trace elements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the salt. In addition to removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Pour 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil, you can also use olive oil, into the mixture. The oil will nourish and moisturize the nails and the skin around the nails. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform mass. Welcome to my website. How do you take care of your nails? Let me know which city or country you're watching from. If your nails are in poor condition, apply the mixture daily for a few days. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and eliminate bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform such treatments regularly. Repeat them after a few days' break. Your nails will become stronger. They won't break easily. Stains, discoloration, and signs of fungal infection will disappear. This is one of those methods that are not expensive, but effective. Good luck. Apply toothpaste to your feet and see what happens. This method is cheap and incredibly simple. Take some toothpaste and squeeze it onto your heels. It has exfoliating properties, gently removing dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of baking soda onto the toothpaste. Baking soda has antibacterial properties and helps soothe and relax your feet after a long day. Then take a piece of lemon and squeeze the juice onto the baking soda and toothpaste. Start rubbing the lemon on your heel, pressing harder on the most calloused areas. Leave this mixture on your feet for 15 minutes. After that time, wash off the remnants. Apply a moisturizing cream to your feet to enhance and maintain the effect. This home remedy is extremely effective and affordable. It also softens the skin and helps you relax.